Very, very good morning to all. Myself is Sandeep Solanki from Kesam Madhav Senior Secondary School, Kakod, Bulandshahr. Today, on the third day of English orientation program, we are so energetic and enthusiastic. But there is one thing in my mind about air pollution or environment. Our environment is getting more and more deteriorated. We are living in the age of global warming. It seems to me that our future generation will have to suffer a lot due to air pollution. We are lacking O2 also. And in the cities, there is a great disadvantage of air pollution, global warming. Yes, sir?
Yes, right.
Pravesh ji, please tell me what are the harms of polybags in it?
Myself, Pawan Kumar, I am from Ranikhet. So I would like to tell you about the harmful effect of polybags. Polybags are very harmful for our soil. When it mixes with the soil, it affects our soil, and the production of the soil is very effect. And when we grow seeds in the land, the seed is not grow properly, and when the seed is grow, and it not gives a proper crop to you. And when we burn the plastic, it gives carbon monoxide, CO2, SO2, and many other harmful gases in our environment. And when we inhale this kind of gases, it affects our
Okay.
lungs, and it creates many diseases in our body.
There is one thing
Yes, ask.
that is harming us. That is the deforestation. Mr. Tanjeet Singh Rana,
Myself, Tanjeet Singh Rana. I come from SBM Inter College, Noorpur, Bijnor. There are so many harmful devastation. There are so many trees in my life. If you cut the tree in your life, they will be harmful in your life. So all the people, all the member advise, do not tree the cut of tree and save the tree and save the life of the tree. Thanks.
thanks. Now we have to think how can we guard our environment and how can we avoid ourselves the air pollution, avoid ourselves from the harms of air pollution. That is why eco-friendly life is must. Now, I want to know, sir, from you, what is eco-friendly life, and what would you tell about eco-friendly life to us?
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Upendra from Almora. I would like to tell about eco-friendly life. Nowadays, many people cut woods, forest, and use petroleums, diesels, ACs. So,
Okay.
if you not use of in this kinds of, so we can save our environment.
It means you are saying that we are leading such kind of life that we should not harm our nature, harm our environment.
Yes,
That is why we have to conserve our environment.
we should conserve our environment and do not use of something else. By this, our environment can be pollute.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Mr. Atul Chaudhary ji, actually there is one thing, in my opinion, in my mind, that which is very harmful for our environment. It is ozone layer. How can
It is
we?
not harmful.
Yes. How we are ruining our ozone layer?
Okay, myself Atul Chaudhary. I belong to Uttarakhand and ozone layer.
Yes.
Yes, we are ruining it, and the main cause is the refrigerators, the growing numbers of the vehicles, and such kind of things. It also increasing the global warming. What we can do to control this is to manipulate the plants on the reality. There are many plants, but they are not on the ground. And the second thing is that we can get the things from our Vedas. We have something like Panchvati. Okay, there was a concept in the ancient time that was called Panchvati, where 5 kind of the trees were put together and they create the environment that was very good for the nature and going back to our values, our tradition, our culture, we can definitely protect the ozone layer and as well as our planet also.
Very good, very good, very good. Actually, in conclusion, we can say we must protect our environment at any cost. If we want to save our future, we must guard our environment and we must live the eco-friendly life and we must follow the sustainable development. Okay, that's all.